Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to review 1 and 2 step equations. It's really important just to get the basics of this because then everything else is heaps easier. So I'm going to do question 1, 2, 3, and then I'm also going to do one question from question 4, 5, and 6. So question 1, question A we're going to do together. So x plus 3 equals 15, and then in bracket it says x equals 12. All it's asking you to do there is to change the x into 12. So we'll have 12 plus 3 equals 15, so that means the answer is correct. If it doesn't work, give it a cross. Okay, question 2. So that was question 1. Question 2. The first question in question 2 is x plus 3 equals 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite of plus 3 and we're going to do minus 3 on both sides. So that means that x equals 7, and that's right. Okay, question 4. We're going to do question 3 now. Question 3, we're going to do a. We've got a minus 9 equals 11. We're going to do the opposite of minus 9, which is plus 9 from both sides, which means that a equals 19. I know I'm going fast, guys, but I'm sure that you can jump onto this. Stop, pause, have a look if you need to have a look. Okay, question 4. We have, Question 4, I'll do that again. Question 4, we have 3a equals 21. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to do the opposite of 3 times by a, and we're going to divide by 3 on both sides, which means that a equals 7. Okay. Question 5, our last question of the day. We've got x over 3 equals 9. We're going to do the opposite of being divided by 3, and we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides of the equal sign, which means that x is going to equal 27. Okay, I want you to do every question on the sheet. It seems like a lot, but you just have to keep on going. The sheet looks like this, and it is attached in your C Hub News document. Good luck.